giving you hugs. That was nice.
You gonna read your book some more?
And she did. On the way, she go to the farmer's market and she did. And she find a little circle way that Toto was behind. Circle way, circle up. When the circle way was not pillar. When the grass was shiny, they didn't know the circle way. And behind the scarecrow, look.
Oh, the scarecrow.
Just like Wizard of Oz.
It is just like Wizard of Oz.
And the circle ones, they go somewhere else. But they didn't know how to fight. The end.
Okay, can you say goodnight, Bella?